राष्ट्रपति महोदया श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी का। नेशनल एंथम। जन मन अधिनायक जय हे। साई राम। भारत के माननीय राष्ट्रपति श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी, आंध्र प्रदेश के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री नारा चंद्रबाबू नायडू जी, आंध्र प्रदेश सरकार के माननीय मंत्री श्री नारा लोकेश जी, श्री सत्य साई सेंट्रल ट्रस्ट के आदरणीय मैनेजिंग ट्रस्टी श्री आर.जे. रत्नाकर जी, श्री सत्य साई सेवा संगठन के ऑल इंडिया प्रेसिडेंट श्री निमिष पंड्या जी, माननीय मंत्रीगण सहित गणमान्य देवियों सज्जनों एवं भगवान बाबा के प्रिय भक्तगण, भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा के शताब्दी समारोह के इस विशेष कार्यक्रम में हम आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करते हैं। द विमेन स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ श्री सत्य साई इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ हायर लर्निंग फ्रॉम अनंतपुर विल नाउ बी ऑफरिंग द इन्वोकेटरी वेदम। साई राम।
बभूव समेन्द्रो मेधया अमृतस्य देवधारणो भूयासं शरीरं मे विचर्षणं जिह्वा मे मधुमत्तमा कर्णाभ्यां भूरिविश्रुवं ब्रह्मणः कोशोऽसि मेधया पिहितः श्रुतं मे गोपाय मेधा देवी जुषमाणा न आगा द्विष्वाची भद्रा सुमनस्यमाना त्वया जुष्टानुदमाना धुरुक्तान् बृहद्वदेम विदते सुवीराः त्वया जुष्ट ऋषिर्भवति देवि त्वया ब्रह्मा गतश्रीरुतत्वया त्वया जुष्टश्चित्रं विन्दते वसुसानो जुषस्वद्रविणो न मेधे मेधां म इन्द्रो दधातु मेधां देवी सरस्वती मेधां मे अश्विना उभावा धत्तां पुष्करस्रजा अप्सरासु चया मेधा गन्धर्वेषु चयन्मनः दैवीं मेधा सरस्वती सामां मेधा सुरभिर्जुषताग स्वाहा आमां मेधा सुरभिर्विश्वरूपा हिरण्यवर्णा जगति जगम्या ऊर्जस्वती पयसा पिन्वमाना सामां मेधा सुप्रतीका जुषन्ता मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि अग्निस्तेजो दधातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि इन्द्र इन्द्रियं दधातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि सूर्यो ब्राजो दधातु हंसाय विद्महे परमहंसाय धीमहि तन्नो हंसः प्रचोदयात्। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
We now request the Honorable Managing Trustee of Sri Satya Sai Central Trust, Sri R.J. Ratnakar Garu, to deliver the welcome address. Sri R.J. Ratnakar.
I offer my humble pranams at the lotus feet of our beloved Master, Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Honorable President, Srimati Draupadi Murmu ji, Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Sri Nara Lokesh Garu, fellow trustees, esteemed elders, dignitaries, functionaries of Satya Sai Organization of India and across the globe, and all the devotees who have congregated in this holy abode, all those who are physically present and all those who are watching this special program online, very loving Sairam to each one of you. Madam, our hearts are filled with love and gratitude to be part of this special program on this holy and auspicious occasion of centenary celebrations at Puttaparthi, where you are participating, makes it more special for all of us. We are aware that Baba took advent in 1926. At the age of 14, in the year of 1940, he declared to his family and the community around that he has come for whole humanity. He has a task ahead of him. At that time, still India was under British rule. It is often said that sun never sets in the British Empire. That may not be true now, but in reality, Sai devotees are spread to every nook and corner of this globe, ensuring that service activities happen throughout 24 hours of the day in any given day of the year. Honorable President, may be pleased to know that in the last 1 year, we had more than 225 programs, people congregating here from districts, states, and from different countries. I must make a special mention, ma'am, here. The state of Odisha is one of the strongest for Sai movements in the country. Sai devotees are spread in every district and every village in the state of Odisha. In the last 3.5 years, there is a program called Sri Satya Sai Divya Paduka Yatra, has travelled 40,000 kilometers in the state of Odisha, covering nearly 10,000 villages. This has inspired all other states to take up a similar sacred Ratha Yatras under the banner Sri Satya Sai Prema Pravahini Ratham in their respective states. So Odisha has inspired the entire rest of the country and the rest of the devotees. Baba has created many impactful projects for the individuals and society. He did not create institutions which merely impart education. He called them edu-care. He said edu-care, it is not education. He did not create hospitals which merely treat patients, but he called it Medicare. He said care should be added to the treatment. He did not merely carry out social projects like drinking water initiatives, but called them socio-care. Baba always wanted every aspect of his mission to care for individuals who are in need. Baba used to always say, sharing is caring, caring is loving, and loving is living. That is the way he has given a call to all of his devotees across the globe to immerse themselves into the service activities which he propagated. Today, in this special program of the centenary celebrations, we have also have two programs which my fellow devotees and brothers who are office bearers will be giving a brief on that. One is Sri Satya Sai Adivasi Mahila Swasthya Shashaktikaran Karyakram, the Tribal Women Healthcare Program. The second one is Sri Satya Sai Torch for World Peace. Ma'am, Sri Satya Sai Organization, India, a service wing of the Sai Mission, is active in about 460 districts in 25 states, with around 7.5 lakh volunteers associated with 6,500 Sai Samitis and Bhajan Mandalis. I think this has been possible only because of the divine call. Sri Satya Sai Baba started his Seva organization, which provides a ready platform through which people across the India could collectively engage in selfless service to the community and to the nation. Sri Satya Sai Global Council, which is outside India, is currently present in 140 countries, with Prashanti Nilayam, Puttaparthi being its headquarters. There are over 2,000 centers outside India which are actively operational in service activities. Thus, people in different countries, different cultures, different languages and different religions are coming together and serving the society as per the divine guidance of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. The true commemoration, according to all of us, we feel, ma'am, that is not merely making 100th birthday of Bhagwan Sri Sai Baba as a great grand celebration, but by remembering and following Baba's teachings of love and service, which will be the true centenary celebrations for all of us. I am sure every one of us have been uniquely touched by his universal love and inspired by his teachings. Ma'am, Baba used to say, my life is my message. Now all of us fellow devotees, all of us together, is now we want to tell Baba, our lives are your message. That is what we are working for that. Madam, thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to grace this special program of centenary celebrations of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba at Puttaparthi, the chosen Janmabhoomi of Bhagwan Baba and Karmabhoomi of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. With prayers to Bhagwan Baba, at this holy abode of supreme peace, Prashanti Nilayam, should continue to confer solace, guidance, and hope to people of the entire world who are in need of it. I pray to Bhagwan to bless all of us, bless our country with peace and prosperity. Jai Sai Ram, Jai Hind.
Sai Ram. Thank you, sir, for your moving words of inspiration. We now request the respected Managing Trustee of Sri Satya Sai Central Trust, Sri R.J. Garu, to kindly felicitate the Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu ji. माननीय राष्ट्रपति श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी, आपकी उपस्थिति से यह क्षण गौरव और प्रतिष्ठा से आलोकित हो उठा है। भगवान बाबा के दिव्य अवतरण के शताब्दी महोत्सव के इस भव्य अवसर पर आपका पुट्टपर्ती में आगमन हमारे लिए एक अपार सौभाग्य है। भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा के आशीर्वाद से श्री सत्य साई सेंट्रल ट्रस्ट और श्री सत्य साई सेवा संगठन भारत आज के इस पावन उपलक्ष्य में माननीय आंध्र प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री श्री नारा चंद्रबाबू नायडू गारू के कर कमलों से श्री सत्य साई आदिवासी महिला स्वास्थ्य सशक्तिकरण कार्यक्रम का लोकार्पण कर रहे हैं। यह एक पवित्र पहल है जो प्रेम और निस्वार्थ सेवा की भावना के माध्यम से हमारी आदिवासी बहनों के स्वास्थ्य के पोषण के लिए समर्पित है। We request the respected All India President of Sri Satya Sai Seva Organizations, Shri Nimish Pandya ji, to kindly come forward and present an overview of Sri Satya Sai Tribal Women Welfare Project. Shri Nimish Pandya, Sai Ram.
The Honorable Rashtrapati Mahodaya Srimati Draupadi Murmu, the Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Nara Chandrababu Naidu, the Honorable Minister, Shri Nara Lokesh, my colleagues on the Central Trust, the Sat Sai Seva Organizations India and the Shri Sat Sai Global Council, dear brothers and sisters. On the anvil of the launch of this project, we can't but remember Bhagwan himself. Bhagwan's love for villages is legendary, and Bhagwan's love specially for the tribal villages is equally legendary. Our memories go back to the days when Bhagwan traveled to the tribal villages of the Nilgiri hills, went to each tribal village, encouraged, helped, and promoted their welfare not only spiritually but financially, gave them new techniques of farming, as a result of which, brothers and sisters, today all the tribal villages of the Nilgiris have dedicated 10% of their growth in their farms to the cause of the mission of Bhagwan Shri Sat Sai Baba. Equally amazing, brothers and sisters, is the tribals of the Paderu district near Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. Their love for Bhagwan and the coordination with brothers and sisters of the Sevadal in that district has created an amazing example of 750 water projects on the hills of the Paderu in the midst of tribal villages, where pure drinking water reaches the doorstep of all these 750 more villages. And imagine the love of Bhagwan inspiring them, that the villagers themselves have participated in the labor of laying down the pipelines in the hilly regions of Paderu on the principle of gravitation, which has worked really wonders. And we cannot forget the tribals of the Chhattisgarh area who have special love for Bhagwan. And recently, when the Prema Pravahini Rath traveled through the tribal villages of Chhattisgarh, the love, the devotion, the emotions of the tribal people for Bhagwan is evident for all to see as the Rath traveled. Madam, on the anvil of the centenary celebrations of Bhagwan's 100th year, we wish to carry this love of Bhagwan to a greater scale. And therefore, we have prayed to Bhagwan that he gives the organization, the Central Trust, all the strength and the blessings to see that we reach this program to 500 tribal villages in India, in the different states of India. This project will spread over 3 years commencing from 2026. As it is rightly called, it is called the Shri Satya Sai Mahila Swastha Shashaktikaran program. This program is going to specifically focus on the health of the tribal women. And the dimensions of the program will be personal health and hygiene and health awareness, medical screening and diagnostics, mother and child care with awareness focusing on especially pregnant and lactating women. The anemia is a great concern with the tribal places, and therefore that's the prime focus also along with everything. The cancer detection, especially the cervical cancer, which people suffer so much, is going to be specifically looked into. And we are also hoping and praying to Bhagwan that we can establish small healthcare centers either in the village or near to the village and everywhere that we wish to see and go. We also, availability of clean drinking water, which is so essential to health, is also being looked into. Eradication of mosquito-related area. And by providing the Sai net, which is a medicated mosquito net in these villages, also an integral part of this program. Provision of multi-speciality medical care, because we have a huge band of dedicated doctors from all fields, and they've all committed themselves to ensure that they look into this project, even if it is through telemedicine, which is an integral part of this program. And definitely, we pray that all these endeavors in these villages are on a sustainable basis. We will run it through 3 years, and even thereafter, we'll ensure that this sustains. With these words and this project, I now request the Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh to offer this program and launch this program for the organization. The Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Nara Chandrababu Naidu.
ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా, ది బెస్ట్ వే టు లవ్ గాడ్ ఈజ్ టు లవ్ ఆల్, సర్వ్ ఆల్. మనం అందరినీ ప్రేమించాలి, అందరినీ సేవించాలి. మనం సేవించడం కోసమే పుట్టాము. ఈ సర్వీసులో మనం ప్రయాణమైనప్పుడే మానవత్వం అనేటువంటిది సార్థకమవుతుంది.
Thank you, sir. We now request Dr. Shivendra Kumar, convener, Sri Satya Sai Global Council, to kindly come forward and address the august gathering on the Sri Satya Sai Universal Torch of Peace initiative, which will be launched by our Honorable President, Srimati Draupadi Murmuji. Please welcome Dr. Shivendra Kumar. Sai Ram.
Om Sai Ram. Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmuji, Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu ji, Honorable Minister from the Andhra Pradesh Government, Sri Nara Lokesh ji, respected Managing Trustee of the Sri Satya Sai Central Trust, Sri R.J. Ratnakar ji, respected All India President of the Sri Satya Sai Seva Organization, Sri Nimish Pandya ji, esteemed elders, dear brothers and sisters, loving Om Sai Ram to all of you. In a world marked by continuing uncertainty, escalating conflicts, and deepening divisions, the need for a unifying message of peace has never been more urgent. Yesterday, we concluded the two-day 11th World Conference of the Sri Satya Sai organizations, a gathering of 2,500 delegates from 45 nations who came together to deliberate on pathways to world peace. What emerged from these intensive discussions was not merely dialogue, but a commitment to action. Today, on behalf of the Sri Satya Sai Global Council, we would like to launch the Sri Satya Sai Universal Torch of Peace, a physical symbol that will carry Sri Satya Sai Baba's timeless message of love, unity, and oneness to every corner of the world. This torch represents more than flame and ceremony. It embodies Sri Satya Sai Baba's profound teaching. If there is righteousness in the heart, there will be beauty in the character. If there is beauty in the character, there will be harmony in the home. If there is harmony in the home, there will be order in the nations. And when there is order in the nations, there will be peace in the world. As it travels across India and other continents to over 140 countries, the Sri Satya Sai Universal Torch of Peace will remind humanity that our shared values transcends borders, that compassion knows no boundaries, and that the path to global harmony lies in recognizing the inherent divinity within every human being. Honorable Madam President, the Sri Satya Sai Universal Torch of Peace would send a signal that India, with its ancient wisdom and modern vision, continues to champion peace as humanity's highest calling. Madam President Ji, we now humbly request you to ignite this torch and light the way forward. Thank you, Honorable Madam President Ji. Om Sai Ram.
Sai Ram. We now request the Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, to kindly address the August gathering.
Sai Ram. Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu Garu, Honorable Ratnakar Garu, Sathya Sai Seva Trust Managing Trustee, Sri Lokesh Garu, Minister for IT and Human Resource Development, All India President Sathya Sai Seva Organization Nimish Pandya Garu, respected sisters, brothers and devotees from India and across the world. It is a matter of deep joy and blessing to stand in the Punya Bhumi of Bhagavan Sri Sathya Sai Baba. This is not just a celebration of the centenary, it is a celebration of a legacy of love, service and universal peace. Rashtrapati Ji, your own life journey from a humble background to the highest office in our republic is an inspiration for all of us. Your presence today greatly honors every devotee gathered here and across the world, here physically, virtually across the world. That is the greatest contribution from your side for global peace. I really respect your honor. Bhagavan Sai Siddhantam can be explained by love all, serve all, and help ever, hurt never. 5 principles of Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema and Ahimsa. If every individual, every institution and every nation lives by these principles, then world peace will become a reality. That is the biggest Siddhantam and legacy given to us. I have worked closely with Babaji on many occasions. Some of you are remember today, he used to call all of us Bangaru. That is the popular name he used to call. That is the affection he used to show on us. So many occasions I was very fortunate to have discussions with him about service activities. He has taken up major drinking water projects across Telangana, Andhra and Tamil Nadu. Such was his resolve to get a drinking water to Anantapuram, Mahabubnagar and other drought-prone areas. Even he was ready to mortgage his own ashramam, Prashant Nilayam. Once devotees heard of his intention, they came forward in large numbers with donations and the project became a reality. That is the grace of Satya Sai Baba. Though the Satya Sai through the Satya Sai Central Trust and the allied institutions, Bhagavan created a unique model of service. Free, high-quality, value-based education from primary to PhD. Free world-class health care and doctors-free service. Major drinking water supply projects. Voluntary service, Sri Sai Sevakalu. Here I am seeing even devotees. I remember his days of bhajans and preachings here. Same discipline devotees are maintaining. I am very happy about it. Whenever there is a problem, with the inspiration of Baba, they used to go and work with devotion. Even here I have seen all croropatis, their children they used to send to spend some time here to service people. I have seen with my own eyes. Even big business houses send their children to serve ordinary devotees here, serving the devotees by giving plates, by serving, by cleaning. That is the dignity of service he has taught. These free services are all offered without discrimination of caste, creed, religion, or nationality. Now, very good organization, 140 countries, and also branches more than 2,000. Number-wise, only registered 750,000 volunteers. No organization is having this type of strength. Today, we are launching the Sri Satya Sai Tribal Women Healthcare Program. This initiative focuses on delivering health care, both preventive and curative tribal women. This includes providing multi-speciality medical care through telemedicine, medical screening for anemia, breast and cervical cancer, and making clean drinking water available. This is a very, very important initiative. Our tribal sisters are the conscious keepers of our civilization. They live in harmony with nature, but they face some of the worst forms of poverty. When a tribal woman is educated, healthy, and economically independent, an entire community is uplifted. This is not just welfare, it is nation building in the true spirit of Manava Seva is Madhava Seva. That is what he taught for all of us. On this sacred centenary, let us make an oath to advance Bhagavan Siddhantam, Satya Sai Siddhantam. I am telling you, Bhagavan Sai Siddhantam forward to the world. Let every devotee should become an ambassador of peace. Let every home become a center of seva. Let every village and every city, every nation reflect the values of Satya, Dharma, Santi, Prema, and Ahimsa. we should not just follow these 5 values in our daily lives, but take it forward and inspire people across the globe. Baba has left a great product, Sai Siddhantam. If all of us take this as a mission to spread Sai Siddhantam, we will be able to achieve Baba's dream of universal peace and happiness. This is what I am requesting from this Punya Bhumi. Now I am expressing my gratitude to Rashtrapati Ji and to all devotees who are all here and who are all on virtually, has come across the world for this historic moment where take forward his legacy, Babaji's legacy. That is what I am requesting all of us. Jai Sai Ram, Jai Sai Ram, Jai Bharat, Jai Telugu Talli. Thank you one and all.
Sai Ram. We thank our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, for his kind words of wisdom. अपनी गरिमामय उपस्थिति से मंच को सुशोभित कर रही भारत के माननीय राष्ट्रपति श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी से अनुरोध है कि वे अपने आशीर्वचनों से इस सभा को अनुग्रहित करें। The Honorable President of India, श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी, साई राम।
ओम साई राम। इस समारोह में उपस्थित श्री सत्य साई बाबा के सेंटेनरी सेलिब्रेशन के स्पेशल सत्र में सभी उपस्थित हैं। उनमें से माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री एन चंद्रबाबू नायडू जी, आंध्र प्रदेश सरकार में मंत्री श्री नारा लोकेश जी, श्री सत्य साई सेंट्रल ट्रस्ट के मैनेजिंग ट्रस्टी श्री आर.जे. रत्नाकर जी, श्री सत्य साई सेवा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अखिल भारतीय अध्यक्ष श्री निमेश पांड्या जी, गणमान्य अतिथिगण, देवियों और स्वजन, मैं श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की पूर्ण स्मृति को सादर नमन करती हूँ। सत्य साई बाबा के आशीर्वाद से युक्त प्रशांति निलयम में आकर और उनके जन्म शताब्दी समारोह में भाग लेकर मुझे स्वातिक अनुभव हो रही है। मैं बहुत भाग्यशाली हूँ। दो साल पहले 2023 में इस सभागृह में और श्री सत्य साई बाबा के समाधि पीठ में आने का मुझे मौका मिला था। मैं और एक बार आने का जो मुझे अवसर दिया गया, इसलिए ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ। प्राचीन काल से ही हमारे सत्य संत महात्मा अपने कर्म और वाणी से समाज का मार्गदर्शन करते रहे हैं। समाज कल्याण के लिए भी उन महान आत्माओं ने अनेक कार्य किए हैं। श्री सत्य साई बाबा भी ऐसे ही महान विभूतियों में अपना विशेष स्थान रखते हैं। उन्होंने भी सदैव समाज कल्याण और लोगों की भलाई के लिए कार्य किया है। श्री सत्य साई बाबा emphasized on the belief that service to mankind is service to God. He exhorted his devotees to follow his ideal. He oriented spirituality towards public welfare. He linked spirituality with selfless service and personal transformation. Sai Baba inspired millions to follow the path of service. It is a matter of satisfaction that his devotees in so many countries are serving the underprivileged and the needy. Sri Satya Sai Baba's message of selfless love through selfless service is inspiring the Sri Satya Sai Service Organization to volunteer for service. Satya Sai Baba's message of love all, serve all, and help ever, heart never, are eternal and universal. Satya Sai Baba believed that the world is our school and the 5 human values, truth, good conduct, peace, love and non-violence are our curriculum. His teachings on human values are timeless, resonating across all cultures and countries and all eras. श्री सत्य साई बाबा ने समाज कल्याण के अनेक कार्य करके सबके सामने आदर्शों को यथार्थ का रूप देने के उदाहरण प्रस्तुत किए हैं। श्री सत्य साई सेंट्रल ट्रस्ट विद्यार्थियों के ऐसे उत्कृष्ट निःशुल्क शिक्षा प्रदान कर रहा है जो शैक्षणिक उत्कृष्टता को चरित्र निर्माण के साथ जोड़ती है। वो कहते हैं ना, कैरेक्टर इज द बेस्ट क्वालिटी। हम कैरेक्टर लॉस करने से फिर मानवता को भी हम लॉस कर सकते हैं। इसीलिए कैरेक्टर निर्माण बहुत महत्व, बहुत ही सार्थकता है। इससे सत्य साई बाबा ट्रस्ट ज़्यादा ध्यान देते हैं। मैं उनको धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ। ये उल्लेखनीय है कि सत्य साई बाबा द्वारा 1969 में बेटियों के लिए विशेष महिला परिसर की शुरुआत की गई थी। ये उनके नारी शक्ति के प्रति दूरदर्शी सोच का प्रमाण है। शिक्षा के साथ साथ गुणवत्तापूर्ण चिकित्सा सेवा द्वारा भी सत्य साई बाबा के मिशन को आगे बढ़ाया जा रहा है। मुझे बताया गया है कि श्री सत्य साई सेंट्रल ट्रस्टी द्वारा संचालित अस्पताल में निःशुल्क स्वास्थ्य सेवा प्रदान की जाती है। इस क्षेत्र के हजारों सूखा प्रभावित गांव को पेयजल उपलब्ध कराए जा रहे हैं। उनकी दूरदृष्टि का परिणाम है। राष्ट्र सर्वोपरि, नेशन फर्स्ट की भावना के अनुसार राष्ट्र निर्माण सभी संस्थाओं का कर्तव्य है। आध्यात्मिक संस्थाएं इसमें महत्वपूर्ण योगदान दे सकती हैं। मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ कि सत्य साई बाबा इस दिशा में अपना कदम आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं। भारत सरकार ऐसे अनेक कदम उठा रही है जिससे देशवासियों का जीवन सुगम और सरल हो तथा वे अपनी प्रतिभा और क्षमता का उपयोग देश के विकास में कर सके। भारत सरकार के इन प्रयासों में सभी धर्मार्थ संस्थाओं, एनजीओज, प्राइवेट सेक्टर्स और नागरिकों को योगदान देना चाहिए। आपका योगदान भारत को 2047 तक एक विकसित राष्ट्र बनाने के हमारे लक्ष्यों को पूरा करने में सहयोग सिद्ध होगा। सत्य साई बाबा की जन्म शताब्दी के अवसर पर सभी लोग ये संकल्प ले कि हम उनके प्रेम और सेवा के संदेश को आत्मसात करेंगे। हम व्यक्तिगत और सामूहिक स्तर पर ऐसे सभी प्रयास करेंगे जिससे विश्व में शांति को बल मिले और संपूर्ण मानवता का कल्याण हो। इसी के साथ पुनः आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई देती हूँ। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा, जन गण मन